there. Today I would like to discuss with you a poem by Wisława Szymborska. She was a Polish poet, and she was one of the best known poets of her time and also of our times, I would say. She passed away in 2012, and she's published That's Why We Are Alive, and other volumes of poetry like Calling Out to Yeti, Salt, No End of Fun, and Could Have. Now, she won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1996. Now, this particular poem, which is titled The Terrorist, is from People on a Bridge, which was published in 1990. Now, this poem is narrated by a man who has just planted a bomb in a bar and is watching as to what would happen at that particular point of time. And he sits safely at a distance, and he counts the number of people who go in and out of the building, and he muses over the fortunes of those who exit the bar and the ill luck of those who enter it. So it kind of shows an alternative perspective in quite an emotionless pattern, which drives the theme of the poem into your mind, the atrocious way in which bomb explosions can change the life of people and their family members. And this was actually a poem with a premonition, as later the World Trade Center was bombed by terrorists in America. Now, this is how the poem goes. So this will be a very short analysis of the poem, The Terrorist He's Watching. And this is not a line-by-line summary, but this will definitely help you to get an idea about what the poem is all about. Anyway, let's go through the poem quickly. The bomb in the bar will explode at 13:20. Now it's just 13:16. There's still time for some to go in and some to come out. So the persona is kind of watching, or it's actually something which is done from the perspective of the terrorist. So he says there is still a little bit more time for people to come in and go out, for people to seal their fate. The terrorist has already crossed the street. The distance keeps him out of danger, and what a view, just like the movies. So the terrorist kind of sits like a spectator in a theatre and watches the drama that he himself has planted, and he himself knows at what time the drama would kind of begin and end. Either way you want it to be described, either as a beginning or as an end. A woman in a yellow jacket, she's going in. A man in dark glasses, he's coming out. So he takes a number of people who goes in and goes out. He looks at the details like the jacket color, the glasses that they wear, etc. Teenagers in jeans, they are talking. 13, 17 and 4 seconds. The short one, he's lucky, he's getting on a scooter, but the tall one, he's going in. So he makes comparisons. One is lucky, the short one is lucky, he's getting on a scooter and he's leaving the place, but the tall one, he's unlucky because he's just arrived. 13, 17 and 40 seconds. That girl, she's walking along with a green ribbon in her hair, but then a bus suddenly pulls in front of her. 13, 18, the girl is gone. Was she let down? Did she go in or not? We'll see when they carry them out. So a bus pulls in front of the girl who's walking with a green ribbon in her hair. So the terrorists cannot really judge whether she went in or whether she got in the bus. Anyway, let's see whether she had gone in or she had escaped when they carry them out later after the explosion. 13:19. See, look at the way in which he's quite impersonally narrating the incident, or the poem is being narrated, so as to kind of make you feel the anger, the revulsion at the act which is about to happen. Somehow no one is going in. Another guy, fat, bald, is leaving though. Wait a second, looks like he's looking for something in his pocket. And then at 13:20 minus 10 seconds, he goes back in for his crummy gloves. Crummy, dirty gloves is actually something which seals his fate. He decides to go back to get his gloves. So look at how the terrorist, kind of also throws light on the insignificance of certain actions which we do, which might really lead us even to death. 13:20 exactly, the waiting. It's taking forever for the terrorist. Any second now. No, not yet. Yes, now the boom. It explodes.